Okay, so it's beautiful out, gorgeous weather, and there's a lot of people out walking around and they have their lighter clothing on, and I see a lot of people with those ripped jeans, and nothing against the style or anything like that, but think about it. Jeans themselves last like decades. A good solid pair of jeans will last decades, and you don't have to keep going back and buying specific pairs when they last a long time. However, if you rip them and they start fraying and everything like that, they're a lot less likely to last a long time than if they're intact. So what else do you call jeans? What's the only other thing in the English language that's called jeans? That would be DNA, right? Which is strange because, you know, if you give like an alternate meaning to something, or it's like a dual meaning or something like that, if you create something and you use that as an idea to be indestructible and then you have them ripped, well, what's another word for rip, right? RIP? Or even just to damage or have ripped. So I really think it's odd that that became a style. I don't know if there's maybe another meaning behind it or something like that, but just logically thinking about it, you know, using my creativity too, and just kind of seeing so many people around town wearing them. And I mean, the style itself is cool, I'm sure, like there's no issue with it. And I think I made another video about this where I was making I sewed up a rip in the jeans, and I started doing like almost like a garter kind of embellishment around the left leg for that ripped jean. And then I started doing that for all my pants. I started making like the little flower designs or whatever on my left leg just above the knee. So yeah, I thought that was interesting. I just wanted to jot that down. I don't know if anybody else agrees with this, but